As we told you before, in this video, we'll tell you know how to actually do multi-mining using AI intelligence auto mining. Until now, we've covered from the first step of multi-mining process, signing up, to step 4, purchasing and transferring MMP, in the previous video. In this video, as we've mentioned before, we're going to show you the most important key of the multi-mining application: winning, purchasing the global BG and selling global BL, using AI auto mining in details. We're going to call AI auto mining AI mining for short. To explain once more, AI mining is the auto mining that automatically process from global BG application to global BL sales. To use AI mining, you first need to install a separate notification app for AI mining. This AI mining notification app must be installed, as it will notify you on the process of AI multi-mining and on the matters that need to be handled manually, not automatically. Also, it is important to design AI mining to fit your economic condition. The strong penalty will be imposed on those who don't pay for the BG within the 24 hours after winning the global BG to keep MMP network. So make sure to design it reasonably to fit your ability to pay. The penalty details can be found on the announcement on the homepage. You don't have to check the details of the penalty, but just carry out the promise within 24 hours. Right? Once you're done with the designing, use the 001 main account to set AI mining. The first thing to do AI mining is setting up sub-accounts. For example, if you want to do AI mining with 30 different accounts, you need to make 30 sub-accounts beforehand. Check out the previous video to see how to do it. Now click the menu on top left, click AI mining, and then click AI application button. This is the page to change setting for the mining. First, write the number of the sub-accounts for multi-mining. Second, write how many sub-accounts you want to use daily for application. Third, select which type of global BG you'd want to apply for. Let's take a look at an example. If you want to use 30 sub-accounts to apply for one global BG every day, you will get the notification on global BG application and global BG wins through the app. If you don't have the app installed, you wouldn't be able to get notifications, so make sure to have the app ready. Buyer must directly make the transfer of the payment for the BG they've won. The moment the transfer is made, global BG would again be automatically applied for with that sub-account. BL sales would also be automatically requested. You can stop or pause AI mining function anytime. Now that you're done with setting, click on the Start button. Now let's take a look at how to stop and restart AI mining. If you click the AI pause icon, AI mining would be paused, and if you click stop, AI mining itself would be suspended. Even if it's stopped, the payment for the BG in production should be finalized to avoid penalty. In AI mining, it is very important to manage the 001 main sub-accounts balance. For auto mining, the main sub-account would manage all the MMP fund needed by all sub-accounts. So if the MMP balance is negative in 001 sub-account, auto mining would be stopped. Auto mining would be resumed once the user reloads balance and click the AI restart icon. You can change the setting during this. You can change the number of the accounts or the BG amount to use for application every day, in case you've made a mistake or there's been a change in your economic condition. If you're done resetting, click the Start button. Auto mining would be resumed from the moment it's been stopped. As we've said, you'll get the notification on global BG wins. If you get a notification, click on the BG payment, the one marked with the red box, on AI mining menu. You'll be able to check the details for the win and the payment deadline. You remember that the penalty would be imposed if you don't make the deadline, right? Click on MMP Send to make the payment. You can see once the payment is finalized, BL sale is automatically requested. BL that's been automatically requested for sale would be sold within 10 days on average. And once the sale is made, you'll receive a notification. Once you get the notification, click on the BL sales the one marked with the red box, on AI Mining menu? You can check the details for the sale. Click on the deposit confirmation, and you can check the MMP balance increased as much of the quantity. MMP would only increase once you click on the deposit confirmation, so please make sure to do so. Now let me show you how to check for profits and BLP. If you go back to the BG payment, you can see the profits under the name of the main sub-account. Before winning, you'll make profits daily. Once you win and make the payment, it would be transformed to BLP. BLP is like the interest earnings. Click the BLP button to transfer it to the 001 account. Once this window pops up, click the transfer button to transfer BLP to the 001 account. Can you see the increased amount of BLP in the 001 account? Once BLP of each account exceeds 100, the BL sales would automatically be made and would be added up, so you don't have to transfer it manually. But note that if you want to use the remaining points for BL sales, it can only be sold by the 100. Thus, you only have to make sure to be extra careful with keeping MMP balance and making MMP payment once you get the notification. The important point that you have to take a careful look at is the global BG and global BL, highlighted in red box. We've never explained about the accumulation of global BG and global BL. $26,800 on global BG accumulation is not only the performance of oneself, but sum of all BG prices of participants from MMP Network. In other words, it means system total sales. Global BL accumulation is the total amount of deposit of the members. This price can increase thousands to hundreds of thousands daily, and even at this moment the increasing price will be shown on real time. By looking at this, you can assume how active the MMP network is. Then by looking at the accumulation price increasing speed after one's subscription, you can also assume how safe one's subscription is, which is so-called live electronic display. Lastly, we'll show you how to withdraw. Go on to the wallet in the menu. You'll see USDT withdraw in the middle. Type in the amount you want to withdraw, your PIN number, and apply for the withdrawal to complete the withdrawal. Of course, the address for withdrawal should be registered. We've shown you how to register the withdrawal wallet address in a previous video. If you don't have the withdrawal wallet address, check out the previous video to see how to register the withdrawal wallet address and register it. Please use one help center on our app in case the registered wallet address is incorrect or if you want to change it. In this video, we covered AI mining. If you find it difficult, please watch it again or get together with your colleagues to study it. Also, this is the third video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it since it's just about 10 minutes. Thank you for the job well done on watching and learning different videos. Thank you.